Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to install application for your HUAWEI FreeBuds SE on an iOS device. You have to start by open App Store and now go to search. Then click on search line and write HUAWEI AI Live. Now search and you should install this application. Select your region, but I'm not recommended to use United States. There is some connectional trouble with the headphones. So I'm going with United Kingdom, but you can choose the best one for you. Then click Next, Next, Agree. And we did it! Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. It's really important to us. See you later!